So today we are going to talk about the S25 Ultra. I'm going to cover two things. The first thing is the difference between the S24 Ultra and the S25 Ultra. Right now, currently, I have a S23 Ultra. My girlfriend has S24 Ultra, and I have the full flip, whatever, right? So now we are going to talk about the difference between the S25 Ultra compared to all the S24 or S23 Ultra. And secondly is, if you're Canadian, if you're from Canada, I'm going to tell you how I'm going to get the phone with a cheaper way. And this way will actually save you a lot of money. So if you're in Canada, stay tuned all the way to the end. I will show you what kind of plan am I getting and why is it better to go with the carriers rather than going for outright. Subscribe my channel. This is a brand new channel. Please support this channel. This is all about Samsung or iPhone tricks and tips. So if you want to know more things, make sure you subscribe this channel. So we're gonna start. What is the biggest difference that I found out? And it's kind of like sucks, okay? So let's get started. The biggest difference is, you know why you guys want a S Pen or a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, 23 Ultra, or even 22 Ultra? It's because of the S Pen. And did you know right now the S Pen has no more Bluetooth on the S25 Ultra? Because did you know that this S Pen, you can take pictures, you can do zoom in, zoom out, you can scroll, you can actually do air gesture, everything. But now because this Bluetooth is gone, now this S Pen is basically is no use, okay? You cannot take pictures, you cannot flip the lens, you cannot do anything. So this is a really big bummer. However, the good thing is the design. If you actually look at the design of the S25 Ultra looks very boxy, but there is no bezel and it looks really sleek, okay, and very light. I went to the Samsung store today and I hold it. It was pretty good. So, and then they put a lot of AI inside and things like that. Yes, I know it will be on the One UI 7, but we will take a look when I get this phone. So now, how am I going to get this phone? So basically, what I do is I go for the big carriers. In Canada, there is like Rogers, Bell, and Telus. What I do is I actually lease the phone, okay? You lease the phone is basically you leasing only maybe like 50% of the phone. So let's just say if the phone is $2,000 Canadian, I'm leasing $1,000 Canadian. And I divide it into 24 months. So every single month, I will be paying $25 per month, okay, with discount. So every single month, $25 per month, you got to use the phone for 2 years, okay, $600. And then after that, you can decide if you want to return or you want to keep the phone. If you want to keep the phone, you pay the remaining balance, which is $675 or maybe $700. So if you add another $675, which is $1,200 times tax, which is a little bit cheaper than buying outright, okay? So when you lease the phone, you use it for 2 years. After 2 years, if there's S27, you want that, you can just return your S20 Ultra and then get a new S27 Ultra. So right now I'm using S23 Ultra. Now this contract is over. Now I'm going to return it and then I'm going to get an S25 Ultra. So this phone, I only pay less than $600 in total, and I can use this for 2 years, which is pretty good. So if you live in Canada and you want to get this phone, you want to use this phone but in a cheaper price, you should do that. It's very good. Only Telus, Bell, or Rogers. All right. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.